Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the new era of digital content in Saudi Arabia. This sector is one of the most vibrant sectors in the world, contributing $1.3 trillion to the global economy with a 10% year-on-year growth rate. Here in Saudi Arabia, as a young, tech-savvy nation that is connected, the opportunities are limitless. Over the past few years, we have noticed an exponential growth in the local market of digital content, reaching $3 billion. This amount of the market size is divided between video, audio, digital gaming, and digital advertising. We're just getting started. You see the potential, but we're just getting started. As big as this opportunity is and the vastness of it, it is only matched by our grand ambition. We aspire and will work towards increasing the market size by 3x by 2030 and increase the jobs by 6x. We will ignite the digital content sector for the future of Saudi Arabia. Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me great pleasure in announcing the Ignite program. Ignite is for every creative person, entrepreneur, who has big dreams, big ideas, and would like to share it with the rest of the world. Ignite will give you an opportunity to have a seat at the table.
This is the table. Every great creator ever has used one.
To be or not to be.
And it doesn't really matter what story you tell on your table. The story could be serious. The story could be hilarious. Or a story no one's ever heard before. And it's not about what's on top of your table or what's under it. How big it is, how small it is, how meta it is.
Because a table isn't just a table. It's a shot, an opportunity. Get it?
We don't get it, but we love it.
Whatever the table in your imagination, it's our job to connect you to it. Ignite your dreams.
Thank you. Ignite is fueled with a budget of $1.1 billion. This budget will mainly go towards two verticals: investments and talent. We have allocated $835 million for three purposes. One, to supplement the existing film fund, to create a gaming fund, and to come up with incentives for the private sector. These tools will help our colleagues in the private sector to reach their dreams and provide the content that they are working on. Supporting initiatives under this investment pillar include copyright and piracy protection, improved piracy protection laws, as well as a one-stop shop for investors with clear, transparent processes that will help you conduct your business and save time. Ignite is also concentrating on the startup community. We have 4 incubators, accelerators. We will foster 300 entrepreneurs with a goal of generating 60 startup companies within the next 2 years. On the talent side, we will provide training to more than 4,400 participants in the different fields of gaming, films, and digital advertising. This will help flourish their talent and create employable job opportunities. Two supporting initiatives in this pillar include scholarships as well as apprenticeships with 30 leading companies. Ignite will sponsor 8 digital media events and 7 gaming tournaments. Why? To bring focus to our great talent and the great private sector that we have here in Saudi and help you advance to the next stages of the business. We will execute Ignite and its initiatives through collaboration. The public sector and the private sector and the content creators. This will be executed through the Digital Content Council. I would like now to invite our esteemed council members, along with representatives from the private sector, for a family photo to commemorate this announcement. Thank you all very much. مرحبا مالك. مرحبا طال عمرك، تفضل. محمد الربيعان، اهلا وسهلا. هلا طال عمرك. مرحبا، الله يحفظكم. هلا طال عمرك، الله يعافيك طال عمرك، والنعم معروف طال عمرك. مرحبا، هلا طال عمرك، هلا وسهلا. مرحبا، هلا طال عمرك، هلا معاليك، يلا حيوا. إذا بس إحنا هنا، إذا تكرمون تقدمون أصحاب المعالي والسعادة، ننجز في النكست ستيب. برايفت سيكتور ستيب اللي هنا قسورة. قسورة. برايفت سيكتور على ستيب هذا. قسورة. تسمح لي؟ توقف هنا. تنزلوا كمان 1 ستيب فيردر لو تكرم.